nervous as well.
I have the slightest crush on him.
And it distracts you कि यार मैं तो कभी किसी के साथ date कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा. If I get affected and I sit on a corner and I sulk, I'm going to miss out on.
Consider me to be the national crush. कब करेंगे, कब editing कब start होगा? We were like this Pasina and Papad Belofying we have done.
Hi Darshil, hi Revati, welcome to Telechakkar.
Hey,
Hi.
what's up?
How are you guys? The trailer looks very interesting of capital A and capital small.
We are super excited. Like since the time the trailer has released, we've been constantly texting each other, asking, how excited we are and everything. We are really looking forward to everyone watching it and liking it because we've made it with our hearts and we've really put in our hard work and efforts. So I hope it's seen on screen and everybody likes it.
So, no, I've been super excited and nervous as well. I mean, we made the film with so much love and so much heart, and everyone's worked very hard. It's been a challenging shoot. बहुत कुछ हुआ है. And we're just excited to see what the audience feels when they watch the film. Like, so far, so good. The trailers have got a good response.
Yes, of course, I'm going to watch it. Of course, the trailer gives this whole idea of the school romance and crush and things. I would like to know who was your crush during your school days?
He was my partner. He became my partner after he got to know that I have the slightest crush on him. So yeah, I was in sixth or seventh.
So for me, it was like I had my first crush in the third standard. And I don't know if that was the right age to have a crush, but yeah, I think I felt something close to love. And yeah, I mean, that was what happened. It keeps, then you keep thinking about it, and then a lot of things happen, and then you're thinking about what does a crush mean, and kya pyar hai, what is all this and that, and it distracts you. That's what the film is also all about, because there is a certain essence, a certain cuteness and sweetness about this entire experience of crushing on someone.
Right. Capital A, small a, of course, it talks about, if you would date someone who is kind of very opposite to you in physical appearance, we have a kind of certain norms. Like, for example, if people do judge when, if a fat guy is dating a thin girl or vice versa, something like that. Do you think that right now, where we are in 2022, still such judgments happen? Do you think that it's time to change and look beyond physicalities?
It's natural. I think these judgments are absolutely natural for everyone to think about, because you're looking for similarities. You have certain norms about yourself. Okay, if I'll be with someone, I'll be this, that. So it's very natural. It's your right to choose who you want to be with, on what basis you want to be with. I'm seeing that there's people like accepting all sorts of things, which is a sign of the change of times, which is a good thing, because it reduces the stress people have in their heads कि यार मैं तो कभी किसी के साथ date कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा. And now that people are more aware and more thinking of that connect that is there, which can be in all forms. So I think that it is already changing. It's a sign of the change of the times, which is a good thing. And it's also even capital A, small a. I mean, we have a height difference. And how the most important thing that matters is what does your better half think about it? What does your girlfriend, your wife, or whoever you're in a relationship with thinks about it?
I think what he said is very true. People have become very accepting in life, and I feel it's human tendency to like, if not say it to someone, at least dimag mein you do pass a comment ki it's opposite, and yet it's cute, because I have a couple like my dur ke bhaiya and bhabhi. The girl is taller than the guy, and they look very adorable. Like on a very serious and a general note, they look very cute together, because every time she does wear heels also. So him being very normal and very okay with the fact that she's taller than me and still she wears heels, they go out in public, they hold hands. I mean, it's very normal for them to behave like that, and it's a very normal thing for a couple to do that. So capital A, small a basically revolves around the whole point. And since we are kids in that, like Adi and Anshi are kids in that, they do deal with it in a certain manner, and that is how, and we've shown that in the film, and that is the whole point of us making the film. And
right, somewhere on the other hand, the trailer also shows bullying, a part of it, that how people tease you and bully you because of your physical appearances in school or college. Did you guys personally faced bullies, and how did you tackle them?
I mean, this happens. This happens in everyone's lives, and specifically people who've been actors and child actors and whatever, because it's natural instinct for people to show superiority. So this has definitely happened, and what mattered to me most was how I take it. If I get affected and I sit on a corner and I sulk, I'm gonna miss out on the other moments of life, which is being with my friends, being with people who I like, and because those things are gonna keep playing in my head, so it's gonna distract me from the other things in life. So I worked out a way of not getting affected by these things. Like people talk about you and 100 other things happen. So I stopped getting affected by it, and I think that really helped.
I mean, bullying is a very, I mean, it's sad to say this, but a very common thing that students face almost on a daily basis, on a regular basis in school, college, whatever. But luckily, I haven't been bullied in school or in college. Maybe because even if I have been bullied, I would have, tackled it pretty well. So it did not happen to me again. And I felt like it was a safe space for me. So yeah, I mean, bullying, so my mother is a teacher, and she comes home and tells me, this happened today, that happened today. And maybe because of that, I know how to, react to situations like these.
My next question is for Ishan. Ishan, no, I actually told you Ishan because I was talking about Tare Zameen Par. God, that's the effect of your performance in that film, that after so many years also people still try to call you Ishan. Sorry. So Darshil, my next question is to you that, just recently Children's Day went, and I have seen like mostly all the articles which said that it's Children's Day and people should watch Tare Zameen Par. I would like to know that even after so many years that, the impact that your performance has, like you just saw that I called you Ishan, that's the impact of the performance. How does it feel that people still remember you for that movie?
Feels damn good. I mean, I love it. I love the thought that people have related to a film to such an extent that it's not leaving their heads. To that extent that people actually think I'm Ishan. They actually think that I have issues with my writing and reading and writing. So I like it that people have connected to that aspect, that it's almost real life. So that's nice. I'm always happy. I mean, I don't mind that for the rest of my life people remember me for that character. But my personal goal is to keep doing films which are like these, where people remember me for these roles. Like even when Bam Bam Bole, my second film, had come out, people said that you were very sweet as an elder brother, which we were not ready to. We've never seen before, and I was happy about it as well.
Right. Revati, my next question is for you. You are called the national crush. How, of course, first when you heard that people are calling you national crush, what was your reaction? And is it difficult to, then get a pressure to maintain yourself that, okay, now I have to do kind of roles where I have to stick to being called the national crush? Because even on the comments in the trailer of Capital A, Small A, there are people typing, oh, the national crush is here. So how difficult or pressurizing is it for you?
Firstly, when I heard that comment for the very first time, I did not believe it. Like, I was like, हाँ किसी एक ने बोला होगा. But that eventually, it was like that wave, everyone started commenting and texting me, and DMs में वही था. I still was in denial कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा. It's not possible. So yeah, I'm very thankful for everyone who still consider me to be the national crush. I'm very happy. I'm very honored. But yeah, I mean, I will do other roles as well. So please, currently looking forward to Capital A, Small A, which is like again a very cutesy mini movie for Amazon Mini TV that we're doing.
Right. So
Give
before
a nice speech, na. Give a acceptance speech of National Crush. What do you like to say? Tell your fans.
Are you interviewing me or is he interviewing me? What does that please take over? Once you give this power to him, then he's not going to give it back to you.
Okay, so I think before I wrap up, I have to ask you guys what's happening next after Capital A, Small A.
There are things lined up, but currently there's Capital A, Small A written all over. So yes.
A lot of things lined up. There's films, there's theater, there's everything that I can think of, and I'm very happy, and I'm working very hard on them. But right now, like Revati said, our focus is completely on the release of Capital A Small.
Yeah, because this is one movie this is one short film that we shot for, and as soon as we were back in Mumbai, we shot this in Delhi, and as soon as we were back, we were like, कब release होगा, कब करेंगे, कब editing कब start होगा. We were like this, we were like kids, and we literally texted Sumit, we texted Vishay, we texted Himang. These are the director, the producer. We texted Gaurav saying, कि guys कभी release कर रहे हो? Editing कब start हो रहा है? When are you all going to start the edit? We were that eager to see the film, and we are so excited for tomorrow. You have no idea, because the amount of hard work, the amount of mehnat and pasina and papad belofying we have done is crazy. So we really, really hope that everyone likes it. Loves it.
Great. So it was really nice chatting with you guys, and all the best for Capital A and Small A.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.